Iyak na naman ang China sa balitang ito. President Donald Trump inaprubahan na ang unang batch na military weapons para sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Na-deliver na ang machine guns, mortars at ammunition para sa Philippine Army. Ramdam tuloy ni Commanding General Roy Galido, susunod na ang sariling HIMARS ng militar. Tapos mukhang i-release na rin yung 24 na F-16 fighter jet para sa Philippine Air Force. Nauna na ding ipinangako ni US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth na dadagdagan nito ang medium-range Typhoon missile. Hindi naman nag-request ang Philippine Army ng missile defense system katulad ng Iron Dome dahil ayon kay Commander Galido, naka-order na ang Armed Forces ng Air Defense Missile System.
Already in our appropriations, meaning in the budget of the Philippine Army, which was listed last year, that the Army will acquire short-range air defense system, and this is now in operation, meaning the mechanism to acquire it is being undertaken.
Kasabay ng pagbili ng missile air defense system, ngayong taon inaasahang madadagdagan ang radar system mula naman sa Japan. Etong early warning device na to ay makikita kung may missile ba o aircraft na papasok sa ating EEZ. Ito ang magiging mata ng Philippine Air Force para warningan ang sandatahang lakas kung may banta ba sa Pilipinas, mapahimpapawid, kalupaan o karagatan pa yan. Kung may makikita mang banta, mabilis may intercept o mapapasabog ng AFP ang kalaban.
That we are an archipelagic country is important because the domain extends far beyond our land borders. And we have to know if there is any activity within our EEZ. It is extremely important, not only with the capabilities that radars provided by Japan and some purchased by our government, but also our other domain awareness capabilities.
Lahat ng yan sisimulang sanayin sa Marso para sa CATEX-Katihan. Dito susubuking sanayin ang kakayahan ng militar mula sa Visayas hanggang Mindanao na rumisponde sakaling magkaroon ng gulo sa Luzon o sa West Philippine Sea. Gagamitin ang lahat ng asset ng AFP, mapa-land attack missile, maritime attack missile, hanggang air-to-air missile mula naman sa FA-50 fighter jet at attack helicopter. Tinatayang ito ang pinakamatinding pagsasanay sa digmaan, lalo na't palala ng palala ang sitwasyon sa West Philippine Sea.
In Mindanao, because a bulk of our forces, the Army forces in Mindanao, and then we are mobilizing in Visayas. You have to understand that our country is archipelagic, and moving forces from one area to another is difficult. And this is what we are trying to understand and define the gaps so we would have solutions to it once the situation arises.
Anong masasabi nyo sa patuloy na pagsasanay ng AFP sa gyera? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salobin.